Qigong class number 2, gathering breath. The movement looks like Qigong class number 2, the gathering breath. First, we start off with the 3 intentful corrections, body, breath, and mind. So we adjust our posture, softly bend the knees, sink like you're sitting in a tall stool. Tailbone sinks down just a little bit. Float the head, straighten up the upper part of the body. Tuck the chin. Breathe in, float the head. Breathe out, sink into the soles of your feet. Breathe in. Breathe out, relax down. Sigh of relief, a ha sound, like you're fogging up a mirror. Gathering breath, fingertips down, like we're gathering up a precious resource in the air. Bring it up to your face level. Soak it in to every part of your body. Breathing in, arms float up. Breathing out, arms float down. Exhaling slower, an extended exhale, longer out than in. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, arms float up. Exhale, relax the part of the body where the hands are floating past. Inhale up, gathering the resource. Exhale down, running that energy across your skin on the front and back part of your body. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Let it soak in deeper, past the skin, to the connective tissue. All throughout the body, connective tissue connecting every part of the body, over and through everything. Into the muscles. Breathing in. Breathing out, relaxing, directing, running this energy through the body. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Soaking the resources in deeper into the organs. Breathing in, breathing out. washing into the bones, into the marrow, into the stem cells. Into the DNA and the deepest part of you. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now let everything settle. Everything settles and sinks down to your lower dantian. So feel that place inside of you, your center of gravity, below your belly button a few inches, inside a few inches. Then rub your palms together briskly. Place them over your eyes, warming up your eyes. Enjoy the stillness. Feel gratitude for this time that you set aside for yourself. Let that joy well up inside of you and smile from your heart. Let it blossom out as a blessing to all. And then blink, blink, blink. Open your eyes. Pat, pat, pat. Allow more light in. And then we're going to rub coins. We're rubbing our ears as you would a coin or worry stone. Increase the circulation and the energy flow to our ears. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.